Before you buy PayPal, here are 12 important things you need to know. PayPal is one of the most popular mobile payment apps, but there are some pros and cons you should be aware of before committing to it. Whether you're comparing it to competitors like Venmo, Cash App, or Apple Pay, this video will help you decide if PayPal is right for you. First off, PayPal is widely accepted and supported by millions of online retailers, making it a great option for making secure payments on websites. However, its fees can be higher than its competitors, especially when sending money internationally or using credit cards. So, if you're sending money to friends or family within the US, PayPal's fees might be more than you expect. Next thing, PayPal offers buyer protection on purchases, which is a significant advantage if you're shopping online. If the product you ordered doesn't arrive or isn't as described, PayPal can help you resolve the issue, which sets it apart from services like Apple Pay, where such protections are limited. The third thing you need to know is about PayPal's ease of use. Setting up an account is fast and straightforward, and linking your bank account or credit card is easy as well. However, PayPal can sometimes be confusing for new users when navigating its interface, especially with all the different options for sending and receiving money. Now let's talk about PayPal's security features. PayPal uses advanced encryption and fraud protection measures, making it one of the safer options for online transactions. But there's always the possibility of account limitations or freezes, which can happen if PayPal detects unusual activity. This is something to keep in mind if you're relying on PayPal for your business or personal finances. The fifth thing is the integration PayPal has with other apps. You can easily connect it to various platforms for business transactions, like Shopify or eBay, but that also means giving up a bit of control over your data. If privacy is a concern for you, this might be a deal breaker. Next thing is the ability to access your funds quickly. PayPal offers instant transfers to your linked bank account, but those come with a fee. Standard transfers, on the other hand, are free, but take a few business days. If you need immediate access to your funds, PayPal's options may not always be the most cost-effective. The seventh thing is PayPal's mobile app. It's functional and works well for making payments and managing your transactions, but it's not always as smooth or intuitive as some of its competitors. Apps like Cash App have a simpler, more user-friendly interface for people who prioritize ease of use. Another thing to keep in mind is PayPal's transaction limits. If you're receiving or sending large amounts of money, PayPal might impose restrictions on your account, especially if you're a new user. This is something to consider if you plan on using PayPal for business transactions or large payments. The ninth thing is the customer support experience. PayPal's customer service is available through email, phone, and social media, but it often receives criticism for being slow and difficult to get in touch with. Compare this to Venmo or Cash App, where response times are often much quicker. Moving on, PayPal offers a debit card option that can be linked directly to your PayPal balance. This card lets you withdraw cash from ATMs and make purchases, but there are fees involved, especially for international transactions. If you're someone who needs a reliable card with low fees, this may not be the best option. Next, PayPal allows you to split payments with friends using its Pay with Friends feature, which is a nice touch for group purchases. But when it comes to sending money, PayPal's fees for credit card payments can quickly add up, especially when compared to alternatives like Venmo, which offers fee-free credit card payments within the US. The 12th thing is PayPal's customer experience, which generally gets positive feedback for its reliability and extensive options. However, there are better options if you're looking for a more cost-effective or simpler solution. Apps like Cash App or Venmo are often more competitive in terms of low cost or free money transfers. So, is PayPal a good option? Yes, but if you want a better solution with lower fees and a more user-friendly experience, check out our recommended alternative that you can try for free.